Hey, what's up guys, I'm Michael King, back again with our analysis video. So today I'm going to analyzing the EURUSD, and so this EURUSD daily time frame. I already marked some key levels on EURUSD. I'm going to explain these levels I marked all the way from this period down to what is happening to EURUSD currently. So as you can see right here in this period, you can see that price of EURUSD fell all the way down to this point, and price met a support level right here for EURUSD. So this support level right here, price, and price made an upward movement, and price met a resistance level right here, as you can see. And this resistance level right here, we tell price the first time, second time, and even the third time. But eventually, price rejected and price fell all the way down to this point, meeting a new support level right here. Because as you can see, price even broke the previous support level right here before price gets to this new support level. So this new support level right here, tell price and price made an upward movement to retest this level that was once a support level right here, as you can see. But now this level now has a resistance level for EURUSD, and it tell price and price fell all the way down to this point to retest this support level once again. As you can see, this level was not give rejected price, and price went up, but midway price was rejected and price fell down all the way to this point, even breaking this previous support level right here. And price met a new support level right here, as you can see. So this support level right here, rejected price, and price made an upward movement to retest this level that was once a support level right here. As you can see, level now has a resistance level for EURUSD, and rejected price and price fell down to this point, and price was consolidating around this level until eventually price break this level and price fell all down all the way to this point right here, and price met a new support level. So as you can see, the support level right here, price, and price made an upward movement to retest this level that was once a support level right here. So this level is now the resistance level for price, and it has pushed price all the way down to this point. I'm going to switch to each 4 time frame so I can show you a wider view of what's happening to EURUSD currently, and also how you can trade EURUSD this week. So as you can see, this is EURUSD on the H4 time frame, and this was when price broke this resistance level right here. So price break this level and price fell down all the way to this point right here, and price made a support level which hit price the first time and even the second time, until eventually it hit price and price went up, and price was somehow making an upward pattern until price got to this point right here. And when price get to this level right, as you can see, this level price and price fell down all the way to this point. So you can see that in between this major resistance level right here and this major support level right here, I marked 2 levels right here, and I'm going to explain why I marked these 2 levels. This first level I marked here was because if you look at this period right here, it was once a support level right, as you can see. As you can see, it's even at as a resistance level for price right here, and price fell down all the way to this point before price eventually broke the level right, as you can see. Then this second level I marked here was once a minor resistance level right here, as you can see. It price and price fell all down to all the way to this point, and price went up and eventually broke it. But you can see when price retraced back, this level once again started as a support level for price, and it held price until eventually pushed price all the way up to this point. So it means in between the resistance level right here and the support level right here, we have 2 levels, which is here and here. So I'm going to explain to you how you're going to trade EURUSD. So we're thinking of selling EURUSD, you have to wait for price to fall down all the way to this point right here. Then you place a sell stop right at this point, apply Forex management. But be careful of this level right here, because once again this level might detect price and price might go up. Or another way for you to sell EURUSD is that you can wait for price to probably go down a little bit. Then maybe price might want to retrace to test this level once again. Then if you see a bearish reversal candle right here, you can sell right at this point here. Then you can apply Forex management. But if you are thinking of buying EURUSD, then I advise you to wait for price to see a strong candle right here, maybe a bullish reversal candle right here, meaning that this level want to reject price. Then you can place a price order right above it, apply Forex management. But be careful of this resistance level right here. Another way you can think of buying EURUSD is that you have to wait for price to fall down all the way to this point to test this level right here. Then if you see a bullish reversal candle right at this point, meaning that this level wants to reject price once again, I'll place a price order right above it, apply Forex management. So that's all on EURUSD analysis. If you do enjoy, please hit that like button, so share to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.